Reflection Effect Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, find the Google Chrome shortcut icon located on your desktop screen now. Double-click the icon to open the browser window for editing tasks. When opened, Google Chrome displays its main viewing interface on the screen. Look at the top area and locate the address bar for typing. Click the address bar, type Photopea, then press Enter on your keyboard. On the results screen, choose the top 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗏 option from the list. You will arrive at the Photopea homepage ready for editing your image. Click Open from Computer and browse for the prepared photo you saved. Select the file and open it directly within Photopea for further work. On the editing page, press Ctrl+0 together to fit views. Next, find the Object Selection tool within the toolbar for accurate selection. Select the object carefully using the available selection controls and tools provided. Use Select Subject and wait until processing fully finishes without interrupting anything. Once completed, you have finished the first masking stage for your object. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the current selection into another layer. Hide the main photo layer before continuing with adjustments and background changes. Add a gradient fill adjustment layer for the background and visual styling. Change mode to radial and enable the reverse option for proper direction. Click the gradient color box and choose desired colors for the effect. Replace black with your chosen color and adjust points until satisfied visually. Click OK to save the gradient changes successfully now. Move the background layer downward, so it sits at bottom position correctly. Select the duplicate layer, then resize and reposition it as needed precisely. Duplicate the object image again, then go to Edit menu option. Choose Flip vertically from Transform menu. Place the flipped image below the main image, then align carefully. Add a vector mask, then press G and draw a gradient line. Finally, create a new layer, press B and follow these settings to adjust brushes. Then, paint shadows. This creates a reflection effect within Photopea and completes everything successfully.